Welcome. I wanted to show you behind the scenes of the CEO Legal Kit, which is a comprehensive resource that includes video lessons, essential legal templates, and practical guidance on handling issues in your business without the confusing jargon. So let's dive in so you can see what you get inside. I'm Michelle Wilson. I'm a small business attorney with over 10 years of experience, and my approach is casual, straightforward, and designed for business owners like you. So inside of the kit, you're going to find video presentations tackling the key legal issues you'll face as a business owner. Alongside these lessons, you'll get a set of templates that you can immediately put to use, whether it's dealing with contracts, compliance, or protecting your intellectual property. This kit covers it all. So let's break down each component of the kit. So you'll get 10 lessons. So first, we'll discuss business structures, and you'll understand the different types of business structures, and I'll give you some guidance on how to choose which is best for you. Next, we'll discuss how to keep your LLC compliant, so you'll learn what you need to keep your LLC in good standing with the law. Next, we'll discuss the contracts you need in your business, and so you'll discover these essential contracts for every business needs, especially if you're running an online business. Next, we'll discuss refund policies, and you'll learn what you need to include to craft clear and fair refund policies to protect your business. Next, we'll talk about chargebacks and strategies to handle chargebacks to protect your revenue. After that, you'll learn about legal email text, and after that, you'll learn about legal email and text marketing. So we want to make sure that you're staying compliant while reaching out to your audience via email or text. Next, you'll learn about website ADA compliance. So you want to make sure that your website is accessible and compliant with the latest regulations. Next, we'll discuss protecting your content online so that you're safeguarding your valuable content from unauthorized use. After that, I will discuss how to copy images legally so you can use images the right way and avoid copyright issues. And lastly, we'll discuss trademark searches, and I will show you how to conduct effective trademark searches to protect your brand. And then after that, you'll get a few templates. So the first template that you'll get are website disclaimers and disclosures, and you can add these into your website terms and conditions. And these are essential for transparency and legal compliance in your business. And there's different ones that I include, like your earnings disclaimer, your testimonial disclaimer. What else is there? There's so many. I can't think of them off the top of my head. Oh, professional client relationships, all that type of stuff. Representations and warranties disclaimers. So you'll get 10 of those. And then after that, you'll get 10 refund policy templates, and these are customizable templates to handle refund requests smoothly. So there's different types of refund policies depending on what you are selling. So I have one for digital products. I have one if you're doing live events or live workshops. I have some for your services. I have a general refund policy. There's a no refunds policy if that's what you're going to do. So there's just different types of policies depending on what you are selling. And then you'll also get a chargeback rebuttal template. And so this is a ready-to-use template to respond effectively to chargeback claims. And then you'll also get an intellectual property clause template, and you can add this to your contract to safeguard your creations. And lastly, you will get a DMCA takedown notice template, and you'll use this template to remove unauthorized content from the web, and so you can protect your brand. And that is it. That is what you'll get if you decide to grab the CEO Legal Kit. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at hello@theCEOLegalLaw.